this class if there's something that you don't understand. So on the home page, I put a link for you. So this is good if there's any written work in English that you don't understand. You can copy and paste it and put it into Google Translate. So click on Google Translate here. And you're probably going to be getting information in English. So where it says detect language, you're going to type in English or look for English and click on it. And here it can translate to Pashto for you. So anything that you don't understand, we can copy and paste it here. So for example, you can highlight something in English. You can copy it. You can go to Google Translate and you can click it here and you can paste it here. And that way you can, if there's anything that you don't understand, it will translate for you here.